In this video, I will show you how to change your Fortnite name on PS5 on any device like PS5 PC or mobile. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type Epic Games and hit enter. Click on the first link and go to Epic Games website and log into your account. This will look like this interface. Once logged in, click on your profile icon again. Select Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings tab, find your display name. Click the Edit button next to your current name. Enter your new Fortnite name. Check the confirmation box and click Confirm. If the Fortnite is running on PS5, close the game completely. Relaunch Fortnite and your new display name should be now updated in-game. That's it. You have successfully changed your Fortnite name on PS5 and other devices. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.